Hello guys, I am Navidullah Khan and welcome to the next tutorial. In the last video I generated APK file of an app and I transferred it to my Android mobile application. I tested it on my Android mobile application and it is working 100% fine. Now it's time to upload it on Play Store. In this video I'll show you the whole process how you will upload it on Play Store. So log into your Play Store account. For that visit your this link play.google.com/console, or you can search in Google by Play Store account and on the visit the top link of the search. Right, you will see something like this interface, and here is a create app option. So click on this option, create app. Give it your app a name. I will give it a name photo in motion, and then I will put hyphen and then I will give it convert your photo to motion, GIF or video. So I think it is fine. Convert your photo into motion will be fine. Into motion. Photo in motion. Convert your photo into motion. Select this option. It's app and free or paid. Or app is totally free. Select free option. Developer program policy. Yes. Agree. Agree. And click create app option. So wait for few seconds. Our app is created now. We need to complete all steps. We will not do this option first. Let's start with the set your app task here. View task, and inside here click on this one, app access. From here select this option. All functionality is available without special access. It means whether your app contain login process or not. Is there any registration or login process or not? Since there is no login process, no registration process, so select this option and click on save. All functionality is available without special access. So once it's saved, then click this option to go back, and here is another task, content rating. Select this option, click start questionnaire, and then I'll put my email address here, and then news or educational. I need to put the, so it's a what type of category it is, not a reference, news or educational. I think it's entertainment, right? So I'm going to select this option, click next. Does the app contain inferences of references to or depiction of violence? No. Does the app contain picture or sound likely to be scary or horrifying? No. Does the app contain inferences, references or depiction of sexual violence, suggestiveness? No. Simulated gambling, real gambling or cash payout? Does the app contain gambling? No. Language, does the app contain any potentially offensive language? No. Controlled substance, does the app contain any reference to or use of drugs, alcohol, tobacco? No. Does the app contain any bodily functions such as these stuffs? No. Does the app natively allow user to interact and stay in contact with other user through voice communication? No. There is no communication methodology. Does the app share the user current physical location? No. Does the app user to purchase digital goods? No. Does the app contain any source because other Nazi sample, no. So all this step done, click save option and then click on next. So on this page we don't need to do anything else, just click on submit option. So this option is done. Next click on this option to go back, and we need to complete another task of target audience. Click on this option, go to ads. Yes, my app contain ads. Select this option and save it. Now this is done, go back and privacy policy page, target audience. So first start with this option. Start target audience is 18 and over. It could be 16. It could be 13 because child can use it. So click on next option. Let me go back and okay. Next option. Could your store listing unintentionally appeal to children? Yes. So click on next. The target age, your app could be unintentionally appeal to the children. Your app is not enrolled in the Design for Family program. So just click on save option. And next we need to click on this app content to go back, and you can see this part is done. Next click on this start, and here is your app a news app? No, it's not a news app. And next we need to last option is privacy policy. So for this I need to create a web page on my website, and there I need to put my privacy policy. It will be a simple web page which will contain a list of some points about privacy policy of my app, and I have to provide a link to that page here. So I'm going to create a page first and then I will explain.